Members of Abonnema community for Akukutoru local government area for Rivers State don't call on the federal government to come rebuild the Abonnema seaport. The community people talk this one for one yearly remembrance of what them they call Go to Niger, the day when Niger troops free the community people from Biafra soldiers' invasion. They come talk say the area na economic hub where people will not be Nigerians they come in and out to do business, but that not be so again since the seaport don yakpa after the Civil War.
We had suffered untold hardship. There was no food, we were starving, we were eating all sorts, anything we could see. In those days, if you come here, you will see at least 11 ships lined up from here to Degema. They have come to collect goods and all sorts of things to take to Europe. Some of our people traveled to London, to Liverpool from Abonnema here. But all that is gone. Abonnema does not have any seaport anymore. So we call on the federal government to come to our aid because our source of income, our source of commerce has been blocked by oil activities.
If you begin to imagine what they faced that time, I think what we're doing itself is not enough. We'll need to pay more tribute to those that protected this land. This place used to be an economic hub back in the days. So we plead with the federal government that this Abonnema seaport should be revamped. By my knowledge, that was the reason why the Biafran president took here. Because of course, you know the importance of seaport during the war. All of us can agree that why we even ceded Bakassi is because Nigerian government went into a treaty agreement with them to stop them from bringing their arms and ammunition plus food so that we'll be able to win them in the war. So when they came here, our people are not cooperating. That was why they were ready to, they were doing what they were doing to sack us so that they can take this place. There's nothing you do that will be commensurate to life. What I want to ask the federal government to do is because of those who are fallen heroes, those people that paid the supreme price, fighting alongside the Nigerian army that protected this town, because of them they should resuscitate the Abonnema seaport.
It's a day they don't forget. It's an annual ritual. We celebrate our fallen heroes who stood and defended the town during the attack from the Biafrans. The lesson should be that at any point in time, you should be able to sacrifice for the interests of your people.
Like a land, so we used to have a seaport in Abonnema here. And if it's possible that they can revamp it or bring it back, approve a new seaport for us, and that would be very good for us.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.